Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We just did the Clare video. Make sure y'all watch that. But we also see Clare and Queen on their Queen and Clarence channel and posted. Yes. How well do we know each other after 4 years? Let's get into it. All right, I see y'all posting. We posting too. Yay.
You gave it to me and I used it and my booty always tingle.
Cause I'm coochie white.
So you gave me vagina wipes for my cheeks. Oh.
What's up, y'all?
What's good, y'all?
What's
They getting spicy. I'm sorry. If y'all shouldn't be watching this, don't watch it. Because I am not going to be answering to your mama for this, okay? So make sure it's age appropriate or whatever. So let's get into it.
good, y'all? We are back like we never left. Back after 2 months.
Back with another video.
We say that like we really been here.
Now on this channel, you know what I'm saying? It's been 2 months. You know what I'm saying?
It's been 2 months. It's been how long on your channel? 7 months.
It was 7 months on my channel.
It's been about
I just posted today.
5 months on my channel. Dang, like we was really just not posting.
We used to do it every day.
We just like didn't want to, honestly.
Yeah.
We not about to sit here and make excuses like we just didn't want to. Because if we wanted to, we would. But we didn't want to. Like we just been chilling, to be honest. Like we've been chilling. It's always good to take a little break from the social medias.
Nah, for sure, for sure.
So
I think that's like, it was peaceful, like the break, but it's like,
I miss YouTube, man.
yeah, like I missed the, like I know it sounds funny, but I miss like looking for the little white piece to like put the SD card in, and then like I don't remember last time until today posting, like I don't remember last time I had to like turn on my laptop.
I ain't turning my laptop.
Like I don't use my laptop at all. Like I'm just straight on my iPad.
It's been a minute, y'all.
So like now, you know what I'm saying?
We gotta get back active. And I don't even know, after this we might be another 5 months.
Nah, hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no.
We
Not again, nah, hell no. On God. On.
we can't swear to God.
Okay, on everything.
On everything. On everything we can't do another 5 months, maybe another 4. I'm just playing.
Yeah, on everything. Like I'm not gonna lie, cause even me posting my video today, like you just see all the love that.
Man, I'm not gonna lie. Girl, what the fuck? I still cut him off after a month. But no. No, but
Queen definitely has a bad habit.
I do. But like people have been in my DMs.
I do too, Queen. I really do. I'm so sorry to everybody that cut off.
In my page, like, Queen, please drop a Royal Family. By the way, y'all, we still are changing the name. It's no longer gonna be Royal Family. It is going to be Queen and Clarence. We're still changing the name. I just gotta like, I ain't open my laptop, so I ain't open it up to change it. But yeah, people been like, we need a Royal Family video, like please post. But like, your girl been working on herself, your boy been working on himself.
For sure.
We've been working on ourselves, you know, just trying to be better people and just
getting older.
We getting older. He pushing the dirty 30. I'm pushing 32. Oh my Lord.
I'm never gonna.
First of all, I like y'all setup too, okay? Ain't nothing wrong being dirty 30 or older.
I'm 30. I'm just gonna keep turning 29.
You're gonna be 30. Next year, you're gonna be 30.
Am I 28 right now?
Yes. No, you gonna be 29. No. This year you're gonna be 29. Next year, Clarence is gonna be 30.
Yeah,
oh my God, we old. And I'm gonna be 27 this year.
You're about to be 27.
I'm gonna be next year. I'm gonna be 28. Oh my.
This year you're turning 27?
Yes, I'm 27. I'm gonna be 27 in 2 months.
I already did that. I've been there and did that.
Well, actually, your 27th birthday was a pretty good birthday.
Been there and did that.
So, without further ado, y'all, this video is called How Well Do We Know Each Other After 4 Years of Dating?
After 4 years of dating, yeah.
Dating, y'all. We still
so
dating.
I think the last time we were doing twice of that.
Because they just thought we broke up because we wasn't posting. Everybody thought we broke up. We're still dating.
I didn't hear that one.
I seen it a lot.
I didn't hear that. No.
What happened to me?
One I heard today when I premiered my video, some channel was saying that we were broke and our channels were demonetized, and that's why we wasn't posting.
Who said that?
When somebody
First of all, if our
that.
channels, if we was broke, we would be posting.
Exactly.
To be honest. Like, if we was broke,
that part.
if we was broke, we would like can't afford to not post.
I tell you right now, that's what I'm saying. I think people look at it differently. On God, if you know me,
Hey, stop swearing to God.
All right, I'm sorry. On everything, it's on
That's right. Get him right, Queen.
God. It's like saying cap. Like it's like a slang word.
But like,
but I get what you're saying.
Yeah.
But if you guys know me, you guys know like I would be posting like
yeah, and we was really down in the dumps.
You would see reactions.
We'll
videos, you see Royal Family, nigga, you see Legend got a channel, CJ got a channel, we got a channel, we gotta get a dog.
I mean, they still gonna get a channel, but like, we would be coming out with the clickbait and all of that. But no, it's just really working on our mental health. Like, I've been in therapy myself.
She even got me in therapy. I'm starting to do therapy too. I did like 2 sessions on it though.
No, you didn't, babe. You did more than that.
Nah, I only did 2 sessions.
You have?
We're 2 deep in, two sessions in.
Oh wow, I thought y'all did way more than that.
Nah. We do like once every month.
Yeah, therapy has been a big part of our whole circle. Everybody has been like, you know, really trying to.
It started off with you, right? You got therapy first?
Yeah, it started off with me. Lee's still getting therapy. Like, everybody just pretty much need it. And I just want to tell y'all, therapy is okay. It just
mental health is real. It doesn't mean anything is wrong with you. It just, there'd be shit that like happened to you mad long ago that is preventing you to get to a place where you want to be now. So it's like you kind of gotta
get to the roof,
fight through that, to get to where you want to be. But enough of that.
Yeah, enough of that.
Video. That's a long ass intro, but I haven't seen this in a while, so it's gonna be a long ass video for sure. But let's get into the video. So after 4 years of dating, we're about to do this again. I think we did this about what, 1.5 years ago, 2 years ago.
I don't even remember.
I think we did it either in the beginning, and I think we did it in our last clip, but I may be wrong. But we're about to get into it. She has some questions. She wrote some questions down in her phone. I got some questions down in my phone, and we also wrote the answer to these questions, so we make sure Queen doesn't cheat.
No, that's not why we wrote it down.
No, that's a fact.
I told you I just did it for the video. I would never just like cheat.
You'll be trying to win. You always be trying to, because I always win, so you be trying to do anything.
Again, you know I love Queen. Queen too much like me though, honestly, because if it comes down to me losing bad, I'm a cheat. I really am. Y'all heard it here first.
I mean, there's really nothing to win, is it?
Nah, you be trying to make it competitive.
Okay, well, let's get into it. We both have like changed a little bit. No, don't be over here looking. We both have changed a little bit, so we gonna see like how we kept up with each other. I'm actually a little nervous though. I don't know. All right, you wanna do rock paper scissors? Who's gonna go first? Ready? 1, 2, ready, go.
What is it? Just one game?
Out of 3. Rock paper scissors shoot. Oh, sorry. Rock.
Come on, we 4 years.
Say.
Yeah, 4 years. That's what I said. 4 years.
No, we did that 2 years in. Ready?
Come on.
Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot.
Rock, paper.
You a cheater!
No, I was gonna go pick. Yo,
you watch me do that. All right, ready?
I am watching.
All right, rock, paper, scissors, say shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot. Oh my God,
what
alike. Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot.
That's one game. We got one more.
Oh.
You said best out of 3, right?
Yeah. Rock, paper. Maybe I got the game wrong. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot. Okay, so I go first.
Yeah.
So wait, I gotta answer your question first, or I just say it first, like.
Yeah, I guess you say it first.
All right. What's my favorite color as of recently? I always got a favorite color.
Wait, like you're changing your favorite color?
Babe, like as of recently, what's my favorite color?
What?
I said it. Stop.
Yeah, like what?
As of recently, what's my favorite color? And
I didn't know your color changed. Like we're in an orange room. Did it change? It changed? Just say it changed.
Yes, and I've said this before. Recently, I have had a different favorite color that I'm really like.
I'm guessing it's something she wearing. I feel like it's either this fuchsia or this purple that she got on the pillow. That's where I'm going. What y'all think? Or it might be white. I don't know.
Right.
You're wrong.
How many chances do you get? Just one?
You can get 3 chances. You can get 3 chances.
2. Just
2 chances. 2 chances. Oh my God.
Is it green?
Yes. Emerald green.
Alright, but I was gonna say that at first, but I know recently you just said you was gonna change the color of your jeans.
No,
So I'm like, I'm just
You was gonna say emerald green, or you was gonna just say green?
Yeah, I know it's green.
I guess it
like,
still
I just
counts.
know
Green.
Green. Like you like army green, like emerald green, like bright green.
So what made
like
you say red first?
Because I know what you're doing with your next album. Sorry. Oh shit. Sorry.
Just gonna tell him? Okay. It's
out.
fine. It's fine. You can keep it. Go ahead and ask me. So you gotta write on the second try. I'm scared.
Alright, don't be laughing at like my question. They're like all over the place. Like this is in no order, but if I had to be locked in a room with either monkeypox or COVID, which one am I picking?
COVID for sure. Clarence, let me tell you one thing about Clarence. You cannot mess with his face or his body. He hate when he break out anywhere. Like
I start panicking.
He's like, he started calling the doctor. Like, I think I would much rather be COVID, and it would be COVID for me too. Cause I'm sorry, monkeypox, I can't do it.
Yeah, me and COVID be in a room like this.
Yeah, me and COVID chilling.
Yeah, monkeypox for sure.
What's my favorite chocolate candy? And I got 3 things there. So if you say either of the 3.
Your favorite chocolate candy?
My favorite chocolate candy. You know chocolate.
Whatchamacallit?
That's not even on my list.
Yo.
That's not even on my list.
So you've changed. You're changing. You're different.
Yes, I've changed over the
You're
years.
not the same person. Okay. So now
I said as of 4 years, you gotta keep up.
Hershey's.
Oh my God, babe. Yeah, he got that one wrong. You didn't get either.
What?
Babe, it's never been Hershey's.
I just seen him eating a Hershey's the other day.
No, it's not eating a Hershey's.
Alright, what you like?
I'm gonna guess Twix is gonna be one of them.
3 down. Kit Kat. I wish you would have said that first.
Oh my God.
That was the first one. Kit Kat, Reese's Sticks, or the Ferrero Rochers.
The Reese's Sticks just came out.
No, they have.
Don't
Bruh,
do that.
Reese's Chicks has
Don't
chicks.
do that.
Reese's Sticks has not been
Now
out.
your shit is the favorite one. You gotta have
Did
a
not
Reese's
just
stick.
come out. Huh?
I think I seen her eating a Ferrero thing.
When you had a Reese's.
Hey, I be having my car at the store. Like, I love Reese's Sticks. But Kit Kat was the first one, so you should have said it first. So he got that wrong. It's okay. Now you know.
What piece of clothing do I start an outfit with?
Ooh. Like undergarment.
I think the shirt, the t-shirt.
2 or your drawers?
No.
Like, no. What piece of clothing do you start your outfit with?
Like, how do I start an outfit? If you really know me.
I feel like you like look for like a shirt or like a jacket, like not a jacket. You look for a top.
Yeah.
Or you look for shorts.
I'm waiting for you.
I got 2 answers, so I always see you look for a top first. That's my.
And your second answer is shorts.
Yeah.
They're both wrong.
What do you look for, hat?
Sneakers.
Ain't no, babe. No, I see you always walk in afterwards for the sneakers.
But what you gotta understand is when I'm looking for my shorts or shirt, I already know what sneaker I'm wearing.
So, but you always go in the room after.
Cause I already know what sneaker I'm wearing. Think about it.
No, I'm saying, but you.
How do I start an outfit? I'm asking.
But babe, how am I supposed to know?
That kind of makes sense. I understand what she's saying, because that's what I was thinking too. That you gonna match your shirt, because he always he buy a lot of shirts, you know. But I was thinking he was buying a shirt first, and then he would look at the shirt and then pick the shorts and then pick the shoes to go with it, because like she said, he go in there for the shoes last. But he is a big shoe head, and then he's trying to figure out what outfit is gonna match his shoes. So I understand both of them.
If you walk in the room, you walk in the sneaker room after you get your outfit.
Because I'm a sneaker guy. You should know that.
Y'all, that don't count, because if I watch him, I'm going off of what I see. I always see him lay the outfit out first, and then he goes and gets the sneakers.
Because I know what sneakers I'm wearing. Really,
okay.
At work,
Tell me if that's fair.
That's mad work if I go in the room and just look around.
But from me
and
watching,
be like, what sneaker am I? I know what sneakers I have.
Okay, but from me watching you, Clarence, I watch you. Okay, fine, I got that one wrong. But when I watch him, okay, so now I know you think about your sneakers before your outfit. Whatever. You ain't about to get out of my skin. You ain't about to get out of my skin. Go ahead. Oh wait,
it's your go.
What is my favorite category, movie or show to watch?
Romantic.
Wrong. Try again.
Funny.
Comedy's on there. I got comedy.
I think she likes scary movies.
Black movies. You know I love black movies.
No, you see, this is where I don't like.
Babe, I told you that it changed.
Because you love romantic movies.
I do love romantic movies,
yes
but it's not on it. Okay, babe, I literally had stopped watching those because you don't really like watching romantic movies.
You was just about to make me watch a romantic movie yesterday.
I wasn't gonna make you watch it. I was just like, oh, look it, and then I went off.
It was 2 Indians in love. It was like some weird love romantic thing going on.
Yeah, but it's comedy, and I always be like, where the black movies at? Don't I say that?
What is a black movie?
A black movie with black castmates. I love black movies.
Tyler Perry.
It's just you can relate to it.
Bruh, you don't know what a black movie is?
Not Tyler Perry. Go ahead. But you got that wrong though.
No, I got
wait, you did. Never mind.
Yo,
you got it right. You got the first one wrong.
What brand do do I hate?
What brand do you hate?
I can make it more specific for you. What clothing brand do I hate?
What clothing brand do you hate? Versace?
Right.
I know you hate that. You don't like all of that brand. The crazy thing, I was just in Versace yesterday and I was like, I can't get with this. Like,
I really dislike Versace.
I can't.
No offense, Versace. If I ever meet you, like, you are a goat. You know what I'm saying?
But I can't do the princess.
Yeah. There's a lot going on over there.
If I had to move to any other state, where would it be? I put 2 states on here.
New York.
I mean,
Jersey?
Yeah, Jersey. Yeah, like, because you know we can't live in New York, so it would be Jersey.
You can live in New York.
What's the other one? I just want to know what's the other one. What you think? New York or state?
Florida?
That's not on here. I mean, I wouldn't mind that, but it's not that.
What was it?
I think Cali.
What?
What was it?
If I wasn't like doing music, what would it be? I told you I liked it.
Houston.
Not Houston, but just Texas, period.
Oh, Texas. Yeah.
I like Texas a lot.
I like Texas too.
Texas is real big.
I just like the houses.
Yeah, they got some nice houses.
I'm not sure about the people in Texas. Like, I'm not sure.
No, the people in Texas is cool. They like trees.
I've never, like, no, but when I've been there, it's like too different for me.
Yeah, you like
I'm seeing
like
cowboys and I'm seeing hood niggas. It's like, I'm not really sure what's going on.
Yeah, it's like too, like you from upstate.
It's really southern.
Yeah, it's super southern.
I'm sorry to whoever's in Houston. Oh, whoever in Texas, like.
Is it my go?
Yeah.
What's my favorite thing to say during sex?
Oh.
I ain't blushing.
Because I'm trying to think of all the things you say. Now I'm trying to remember everything.
There's probably like one thing I said probably a lot though.
This mopsy. I love this pussy.
Nah. There's something I say way more than that.
Good girl.
It's like a phrase. Yo.
Sorry.
It's like a phrase. Like, oh, you got it wrong. That's 2 answers. So.
No, but wait. Okay, what is it?
It's like, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Yeah. You know I do that. Say it like.
Okay.
It's like how I say it though.
I think I can hear it.
Yeah.
But that's like okay, I got that wrong. Like I know what you're saying now. Is that good girl?
Yeah, the way you said that, it sounds crazy.
You're like good girl. Okay, it's my turn. What kind of wipes do I wipe my booty with?
Two wipes.
No. It's a different wipe. You be seeing it sometimes. Sometimes in the bathroom. What color is it?
It's like this color.
And have you read the name on it? Because I know you use them.
Nah, I only use those when it's an emergency though. Those be burning my booty. I don't know why you be using
No.
those.
You're not supposed to use. You talking about the small pack?
I don't know. Whatever pack was in there when we was out of dude wipe, you gave it to me. You said I could use it, and I used it, and my booty always tingling.
Cause I'm coochie white.
So you gave me vagina wipes for my cheeks, no? Why did you do that?
We was out. I didn't know what else he was gonna wipe with. Hold on, wait. Is it still on? Okay, it's still on. I ain't know what. No, babe, they're called good wipes. Dang,
Those shits was not it.
That's why it burnt. Well, my vagina don't burn, so I don't know.
It might be a little more sensitive down there.
Maybe I don't know.
But I don't know.
No, sir. I beg to differ.
Name, like
good. They're called good wipes.
Oh, good wipes.
Now that I say it, can you remember that it said that?
Nah, I don't look at your wipes. Like.
Okay. I just was. It's our question.
What food do I love but barely eat anymore?
Wizzies. So I was playing. What food do you love? What food do you love but barely eat anymore?
Yeah.
Mexican food?
Nah.
Okay, it's my first. Oh, is it a restaurant or is it just like
It's
a
just
type of
food? I'm trying to be instant.
What food do you love but barely eat anymore? Oh my god, I got this in the bag, but I just don't remember.
You don't got it in the bag, obviously.
Wait. What food do you love but barely eat anymore? Because I feel like you got tired of it. I'm just take a wild guess. What do you love? You trying to do this? Dun, 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 dun. What is it? Babe, just please give me a hint. Is it
no,
a restaurant?
There hasn't been no hints.
Okay, is it a restaurant?
Do you know me or not?
Clarence, what food do you love but barely eat anymore?
Do you know me or not? That's the question.
Chopped cheeses? Philly cheesesteak? Bacon, egg, and cheese?
Wrong.
Bacon, egg, and cheese?
Pizza.
I was gonna say that. Honest to God. I put that on my mother. Word of my mother. I swear, honest to God, I was gonna say pizza. I promise. You believe me though? I promise I was gonna say pizza, but I was like, no, not pizza. I swear I was gonna say pizza. Just give me that. Y'all, I promise y'all. Do y'all believe me? I was gonna say pizza. I swear, pizza was in my.
I believe you because he's from New York and he gotta eat pizzas. I'm with you. I'm with you, Queen. She was gonna think that, but I was trying to think of the cheesesteaks too, because you know he do love cheesesteaks.
They don't believe you.
Oh my God, why didn't I just follow my first mind?
They don't believe you.
Babe, I really was gonna say pizza.
Go ahead, y'all go.
So I really got that right in my head. In my head, I did. Okay, all right, my turn. What's one of my biggest pet peeves? Like one of my biggest pet peeves. You guys say the one I got written down.
Your biggest pet peeve.
What's one of my biggest pet peeves? Like, what do I hate?
People telling you what to do.
You got it right. When people tell me what to do, I hate that.
All right.
Dang, I was gonna say pizza, man.
What genre of music is currently my favorite?
Genre of music?
So listen to right now.
It's like emotional, like I don't like. It's like
I said genre. I didn't.
Genre?
Emotional music is not in the genre of music.
no, but it's like
Is it pop? Is it rap? Is it like genre?
I be hearing you like it's like alternative. It's almost like pop, almost, but it's like pop rap. I heard you listen to some sad stuff. Not pop.
That's wrong. That's wrong. What's your other answer?
Rap.
Wrong.
Gospel.
It would be right now. It would be like Afro beats, and you should know that. You hear me in the bathroom. You know how sticky it get.
Man, that's not Afro beats.
Yes, it is. It's inspired by Afro beats.
Babe, that's
my nigga. Last Burner Boy. Like I've been fucking with the.
Everybody go to breakfast.
Yeah, like those are my. It's like that kind of. You know.
So why you been listening to Rod Wave like that?
Cause he just dropped. That's my nigga.
Okay, I mean, I guess, but you don't listen to it that much around me, not Afro beats.
I be blasting.
But maybe I don't be in the bathroom you blasting that music. Okay, I got that wrong. I take that. But the pizza one I got right.
No, you didn't.
All right. What are my two favorite high-end brands? You gotta say both.
Balenciaga.
If you don't say the other one, you get it wrong.
You said high-end.
Two high-end brands. No, everybody go.
Dior.
No.
Chanel.
Nope, you got both wrong. It's Fendi.
You don't like Fendi?
Don't say ew.
You do not like what?
I do like
Fendi.
Yes, I do.
What Fendi do you have?
I have a Fendi bag. I just bought a Fendi headband. I bought Fendi shoes. Like, I like Fendi a lot. And I like Fendi stuff. The print. Only the Fendi print. That's it. I just wore a whole Fendi, like... Yeah, I do. I love Fendi. But I just like the prints. That's it. And the Fs.
You have way more other clothes than Fendi. You have way more Dior clothes.
It don't take away the fact that I like Fendi right now.
Okay.
Go ahead, honey bun.
I guess.
So you got that wrong.
What's my favorite?
He's like, ew. He looks at ew.
Favorite song by you ever?
Ever?
Like, no, what's my favorite song you're on? Yeah, ever. It could be your song, it could be somebody else's song, it could be... Yeah, two kisses. Do you know me? Do you not?
I do.
So are you gonna get this one right?
I got two.
Medicine?
Alright, so come closer. Hey, Boogie.
You got that one right. That's crazy. Well, what made you say that?
It's New York. What car would I get besides a Jeep?
You've never really mentioned any other
Yes, I have.
car. Tesla?
No.
So
A Range Rover? I remember her mentioning something. Y'all know?
you've never told me you want the Tesla.
Baby.
That you would
Think
get
hard. Think real hard. What
a
car?
Range Rover?
No. What car have I always mentioned besides the Jeep?
A Range Rover.
No, honey bun.
You mentioned it in 5 songs.
Babe, it just rhyme with stuff. That's
Do
why
you see what I'm dealing with here? You mentioned it in 5.
See you, Claire. I'm with Claire now. I heard her say that too, and I knew I wasn't wrong, but he said I was right, and I believe him and not you, Queen. I think you just changed it, sis. Because like he said, it was all in your songs. I thought I heard it too. I don't know. So what else do you think she got? Shoot. Let's see. What else is it? I guess we're going to go with a Tesla. That's going to be my next guess.
But you heard me talk about another car. Did you not?
A Porsche.
Yep. You're right.
That's confusing. Can you see the
That's a nice one.
confusion? That's wild. Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Less. Dun dun. You got that song in my head now.
What part of my body?
Okay, first of all, she giving you clues about her birthday gift. So you're going to have to get her. He ain't going to buy her Fendi because he don't like Fendi. So get her a Porsche.
Kiss and it gets me horny.
Your ear? Your neck?
No, that's not what I read down.
See, then.
That's not what I had written down though. The same thing has happened to me. Like.
Your booty crack? Okay.
Don't ever play like that. Like, take that.
What part of your body you all kissing?
You already got it wrong, so.
I said no.
You had 2 guesses.
Is it like somewhere around here?
Yeah.
Your like stomach?
No, it's under my stomach.
Yeah,
like,
right
above
right above your pubes or on
right above my man and like right below my stomach.
I was gonna say that, but
like
you
right
should have gave me
before.
that. You should have gave me that. But for real, like I was gonna say that, and I didn't get
didn't,
2 answers. No, I said your ear. No, I just changed my answer to from
I was
ear
gonna
neck.
say Porsche too.
No, you was not.
I was.
Okay, I was gonna say pizza.
But you didn't. That's what my whole point is.
Okay. What do I order from Chick-fil-A, including the sauce? You gotta be specific, honey bun.
You don't get no sauce.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do get a sauce from there. I like 1 sauce from there.
So I'm supposed to say your order.
Polynesian sauce.
Order. What do I get from there?
You get chicken strips.
Which piece? Which amount? How many?
Are you serious? I don't even know because I don't get chicken strips. I don't even know what's the amount.
But okay,
it's
so
probably
what's the sauce?
the littlest.
So then what's the sauce then?
Littlest amount because you're little.
What's the sauce? I get the 3-piece.
You get the little spicy one.
Okay, sweet spicy sriracha. You got it.
Yeah.
Okay, you got that. You got that.
I said 3. I got that right.
That's what I do, man.
You got stuff wrong, so don't even try to.
I got like 1 wrong.
No, you got more than 1 wrong.
Would I rather get a fucked up haircut or wax my cheeks?
Wax your cheeks.
Yeah.
Definitely wax your cheeks, because nobody can see that.
I thought that was gonna be a tough one for you.
What type of shows or movies do I absolutely refuse to watch? And it's two words here I need you to use. Either of the 2 words.
Like horror movies?
That's not the word.
Scary movies?
No, that's not the word. You gotta say the word. Because I'll watch a scary
Like
movie.
evil movies?
Okay, you said the word. Evil.
That's a scary
demonic, no. Not every, like demonic or...
I'm with you, Queen. I see your point. Because there's some movies that be doing way too much. Got you, girl.
Demonic.
Also, since we on the subject, I knew the haircut thing too. Because Clare, if he get a bad haircut, it is over. He don't play about his hair.
Or evil spirits, but I refuse to watch that. I mean, that movie that we seen, that thing was scary when the girl's on top. But evil or demonic, I won't watch those.
Nah, that's more action, babe. There's a difference between...
You mean thriller?
Like a scary, yeah, there's a difference between scary.
It's a thriller.
You're just scared.
No,
it's
not.
You see them at the top and you're scared, but that's...
She 100% right. It's some movies out there that got some bad stuff going on.
Doesn't make it a scary film.
It makes it like a thriller. Like,
it's a thriller, yeah.
Like,
it's action. Thriller.
Okay, go ahead. And I'll probably have more questions than you.
Yeah, you do have more questions.
I'm gonna say it though.
What's the sexiest thing I find about you? Like, what's the sexiest thing about you for me?
About me? Is it like...
Do you know me?
Is it like inside or outside?
Do you know me?
What's the sexiest thing you find about me?
Why you keep doing that to her?
Yeah, do you know me?
Hey, no, is it like a...
I used a certain word. I said...
You know she overthink. Don't do her like this, Claire. Girl, just don't overthink it, okay? Your eyes, your hair, your nose, something like that, your leg or something. You know, he talking about outside, sis.
Sexy.
What's a sexy?
So that wouldn't be like, I don't know if your personality could be sexy. You know what I'm saying? If I would have said it something else, then I would have meant her personality was. So if I guess I'm giving you hints here.
I guess the craziest thing is like, I don't know. Is it my smile?
Yes.
Oh. It's my smile, okay. Oh, man.
That's so sweet.
Okay, stop. Okay, what's all a part of my self-care upkeep? What are the things that I do?
That's multiple questions.
No, at least get like 3.
Am I naming products or am I
No, not products. Like things
like
that I
process?
do. The things that I do, like, babe, I gotta go get this done because, like, I'm just trying to keep, like, upkeep myself.
Facial.
Okay, that's on there. Name 2 more. This should be easy for you.
Oh, you be taking like some pills. Don't you take some pills, right?
That don't have, like,
Your skin or something?
I kind of.
Right though, you know, people take biotin and stuff, or you take stuff for your skin. You know, it's stuff for your hair. You know, that's okay. So I see what he's trying to say, but I think she mean like hair removal, getting her nails done, you know, whatever else, get her skin together, whatever.
But no, that's not part of it. That's not here. 2 more.
You be in the bathroom with this little steamy thing on your face.
It don't all have to be about my face. Like, just period. What do I always just keep up
You
with?
said skincare.
No, I didn't, babe. What's all a part of my self-care upkeep?
Oh, you said self-care.
Upkeep.
Okay, I think you said skincare.
Yeah. You said
You
facial.
wax.
Mm-hmm.
You get your nails done.
Nails. Come on, keep going. Just keep
Your
going.
hair.
Yeah, that's a part of it, but it's not on there. Name 1 more. What's one thing I be getting done? What?
What do you mean? Gym?
You can't just look at me and see what else I get done.
Your lashes.
Yeah, okay. But you kind of got that wrong because you had to guess too much. So,
Like, see, this is one of those situations brothers be talking about. Like, you got the answer, and you just keep like, nope, you gonna be wrong at some point. Like, he got it. Give him the point. Claire got the point. I love you, Squeeze, but I'm saying the brother got the point. He did extra. He went above and beyond. He got it right, and she was just looking for a particular answer. So when we ask y'all questions like that, dudes, we looking for, like, you know, the part we take our pride in, you know. So she love her lashes. Everybody know Queen don't feel right if she ain't got her lashes on. If they don't look right, they not long enough, they not thick enough. She's so, you know, she be feeling some kind of way about her lashes if they ain't right, like his hair.
oh, you got it right.
The
You got it right.
same, like that's all goes. Like that was a very confusing question.
No, but it's like it was easy too. Okay, should I just ask another one?
Go ahead, since you got 30 questions.
Okay. Which 2 legends do I look up to in the music world?
Mary J.
I look up to her too, but those are not written down. It's 2 main ones. My supporters know 2 legends, 2 main legends. I just look up to, like.
Are they females?
Yes, and I just gave you a hint, so.
Selena.
That's one. What's the other one?
Whitney Houston.
Yep, you got that right. Yeah.
I haven't got one wrong in a minute.
Yes, you have.
No,
You got the last one wrong. Go ahead.
TV shows or movies?
TV shows.
For me?
For me?
No, not for me.
It depends.
You got it wrong. You said TV.
It depends, though, babe.
It's a movie.
Every time you eat, you turn on
It's a movie.
TV shows, babe. Okay. What? No, you didn't give me 2. No, you didn't
It's
give me
only
2
2
chances.
options.
You didn't give me 2 chances.
Babe, if
No.
I say you got 2 chances to guess who killed
You
this
cheated.
nigga, is it Derek or John?
Man, you always watching
And
TV
if
shows.
you say Derek and you get one more answer,
But
you
you
gonna say
always
John.
watching series from Netflix and stuff and Hulu.
That's just because I'm eating. I like to watch
I said when you eat, and you only really watch TV when you eat.
TVs or movies. I'd rather
He
watch
only
a
watch
movie.
TV when he eat, y'all.
It's not my fault that TV shows are a little litter right now. They're
Right,
looking-
and
but
but
I'd
you
rather
people-
watch a movie.
Okay.
Me personally.
All right, I guess.
Thank you.
Whatever. No.
That's like your 6th one wrong.
No, bruh. You gotta understand. This is only what I see out my eyes. You cut on TV shows all the time. What do you watch? Blackish.
I'm watching this show. This should be my show right now. Blackish.
Thank you, Queen. He did say that in his last vlog. I'm glad you edited this to say this. He literally just said he be on Blackish. And then one of the boys getting a spinoff.
Been hooked on this show, I'm not gonna lie, for a little minute.
You watch them other shows. Like, you be watching shows, man. You learn. How can you tell when I'm upset about something? It's like 2 things I am.
Upset how?
Like, just like feeling like, how can you tell when I'm upset?
I've never really seen you upset. Like upset?
Upset is the same thing as like just in my feelings, like upset, like not happy about something. How can you tell?
I mean, you get quiet.
Okay, that's on here.
And like your eyebrows kind of do this thing.
What they do? Do it.
Like no, because the one time I'm thinking about the one time I did see you upset, like your eyebrows kind of get. They get higher on your face, like. It really like.
I saw that, y'all. I really did. You remember that time when she was doing that video and she was up in the mountains and they had her set up wrong? Her eyebrows did that. I saw it. and she had to go up the hill, and she didn't like heights like that. And they had her, and they kept frustrating her, and she got mad, and her eyebrows did that. And she did get quiet though, because people kept trying to talk to her. She like, leave me alone. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. You know, and like, we love her because she's funny and goofy, but when she stopped being goofy, you know it's something wrong. It's something real serious going on when she get real quiet and introspective. Claire's impression of her is so funny. Oh my gosh, he's so silly.
Like you can't believe that like you just did that. Like you like it's just dumb funny.
My eyebrows get higher on my face.
Yeah, like they crawl up your forehead. They go up here.
Oh yeah, let me try to do it. I can't.
Yeah, you're not upset right now.
I can't do it. What? Next time I want to say, I'm gonna look in the mirror. I gotta see what you're talking about. Okay, go ahead.
That's my go? I only got like 3 more. What's my favorite snack?
I don't know why that's funny. What's your favorite snack?
We gotta think back, y'all. Y'all coming with me since we on memory lane. Let's go back to the tub. I need him to do some more tubby times. I used to love the tubby times. They were so funny to me. He used to have all the snacks, boy. I know he had some chips. I can't remember which one of those was. I know he had some cookies. So I'm gonna go like Chips Ahoy or something, right? That's what I'm gonna do.
Fried Oreos?
No.
Really? You eat it often?
Yeah.
I think it's between 2, but if I say one
more answer.
Dang, it's a lot of different snacks, bro. He like so many.
I'm with Queen. He team snacks now. Clare can snack. If I got somebody I want to snack with, it's gonna be Clare. Cause Clare gonna keep his thing stocked with snacks. He is a snack addict. He the snack king. I mean, Clare got his stuff on lock. Clare's gonna get you a snack.
Snacks. Bro, he likes so many snacks. You getting this stuff from Trader Joe's and chocolate.
Remember that time when he had COVID and she had to bring down all the snacks? I think she had an armful of snacks. I'm glad he's okay now. But
it's like a chocolate covered like peanut ice cream.
That's a final answer?
I don't know, man. He got a lot of favorite snacks. Like, can I just say all of them?
No.
Okay, if I gotta take a wild guess, ice cream?
No.
The chocolate covered peanuts. Babe. Don't, bruh, stop. Oh my god. Well, this is a Queen and Clarence channel, so I guess. That's on there. Is that the answer you wrote? What?
Okay.
Why is you playing with her? Y'all gonna have to go take a nap soon. I can't do all this with y'all. I mean, I guess it's sweet that that's still his favorite snack, but you know, this is not the kind of channel we got. Sir, get yourself together.
Okay. Okay.
You know what?
Because it's like, I don't know what to say to that. I thought you was gonna say Alright. Let's see. Wow, that threw me for a loop. Okay. We'll see. What is the reason that I don't like to cook that much? What is the one reason I always say?
Like cleaning up?
Yeah. It's the cleaning afterwards. It's one more though. I just want to see if you can get it. You still got it right, but what's the other one? When I'm cooking, like what happens?
Like dishes?
No, that's a part of cleaning up. It's another thing. It's like got something to do with like my body. When I stand for a long period of time, my legs hurt. They really do. Like when I cook and clean, my legs hurt a lot, and I'm honestly
grandma knees.
I need to go get that checked out. It might be like my veins or something. Grandma knees? Come on, I got these big knees. I was like, no, I ain't got big knees. Okay, and that's your last question? Or I keep going?
What's one thing I can't stand that you do often?
Oh, one thing you can't stand that I do often?
Yeah, you have 2 chances.
Slap your butt?
No.
You can't.
Which is one that I would
It's
not written down.
Interrupt you. No?
Lose your phone.
Oh, babe, I don't do it that often.
Yes, you do. And our history of their relationship. How many phones has Queen lost? If y'all give me an answer, just go ahead. Like, let's guess 20, okay? It had to be at least 10 videos where they've been finding new phones. So 10 is a safe guess, but I'm thinking it's more 20.
Man, I don't do it that
Between
often.
those two, yeah.
Airport.
You do. More than usual.
I haven't lost in a very long time.
You're losing more than you have
Okay, but what's the
renew your
difference between losing my phone?
What's the difference?
I'm saying I don't lose my phone. I just misplace it. I don't lose it. Like,
You lose it. You find it.
I misplace it.
Leaving your phone in the movie theater, and then
Clarence,
realizing that you don't have it when we're in
that's
the
not
car.
losing it. That's just
losing
leaving
it.
it.
That's
That's
not
leaving it.
misplacing it. You don't live in the movie theater.
No, it's just I forgot.
You can't misplace your phone in the movie. You forgot your phone.
Okay, yeah, you do hate when I do that. Ooh, and it always holds us up. I'm like, wait a minute, my phone. I don't know, y'all. I need like a little beeper on here, like the little thing. Okay, any more?
I have more.
Okay. Do I like to wear gold or silver accessories more?
Or say gold.
Okay, you're right.
What's my favorite place to buy food at?
Trader Joe's?
Correct.
Correct. Great. What vegetable side am I most likely to order with my food? It could be
You said breakfast side?
vegetable side.
It ain't tomato.
Oh, Brussels sprouts?
No.
Green beans,
Yeah.
for sure.
Okay, green beans is one. So you got that one.
Oh, there's more?
No, I mean you only had to try. There's another one. There's another one too. Just see if you can name it. Corn. I like corn. Any more?
What's my favorite time to get nasty?
In the morning?
I got daytime.
Spontaneously.
I got daytime.
A daytime?
Yeah, daytime.
Oh, daytime, like in the
Middle of
morning?
day type shit.
Yeah, you like to look at everything. I just, like, why would you like to be in the dark?
I want to see everything. Right, like sometimes I go turn the lights on.
Why do you do that? I like it when it's dim, like, cause I could just make all sorts of faces. You know, this man always getting freaky. Okay, this is a good one. If I was gonna go to college, what would I have majored in? I've said it before.
And securitize.
I think she'd be a teacher.
Security.
Babe, no, I know you're joking right now. What would I have majored in if I was going to college?
I know. I don't know the name of it though. I forgot the name of it.
But like, okay,
It's like you be like a. How do you say that?
It's a major.
It's like dealing with people.
But it's like keep going.
I don't know how to
Pull out of it. Pull.
Cycle. I don't know.
You almost there. You almost there. Psych.
Like I forgot the name.
Psychologist, bro.
It's like a pharmacist. It's like a. It starts with a PH. Pharmacy.
What, a physicist? You talking about a PH?
A pharmacist. A psychology.
Yep. You right. You got that right. Okay. I thought you didn't know that.
I know you.
I thought you did not know that. Stop.
He giving her the eyes. Come on, Ma. I know you. They about to take a nap, y'all. We about to leave.
Okay, you got any more?
I think I got.
I got 4 more.
What do I want to do right now?
What do you want to do, like, right now?
That's my last. Yeah.
What do you want to do, like, at this moment, or just like?
I don't know. You can take it how you want to take it.
It's a lot.
She overthinking it. Sis, he ain't gave you like 5 clues that he went in this video.
What things you want to do? How am I supposed to, like? You want to do your clothes for sure? Is that like in the realm of work? Stocks?
No.
Hey.
I want to have sex.
Babe!
It's been a while, and That's basically what this video is getting to, and like I feel like we should probably
wait. I have one more.
have sex after this video.
What? It ain't been that long.
Back when you just in the video. Queen. I mean, you sweet queen be like, ah.
But it's been like you know what I'm saying? We've been missing each other. You know what I'm saying?
You really like kind of like throwing me off. Like I don't think you're gonna say these things. I'm thinking you're talking about like, you know. Okay.
That's what I want to do.
All right. All right. Okay. If I was to do any other genre of music, what would it be?
Gospel.
Okay.
Come on. Keep it coming. I'm
What?
not gonna miss this whole last.
All right, let's see if you don't miss. We got 3 questions left. What body soap do I use most recently? It's in the shower, so you see it.
It's that little white bottle.
And what does it say?
Natural, nature, neutral. Something with an M.
Native.
Native.
Okay, I mean, I
got that right.
That's right.
I got that right.
I don't know. You ain't say the word. Okay, what toothpaste do I use most recently?
Sensodyne.
Sensodyne. What? What kind of flavor?
I don't know. Doesn't matter.
Girl. You tripping, queen. I love you. You my sis. You know, we cool. I'm all for you. But you tripping. Like, leave this boy alone and quit asking about toothpaste and body wash.
What color is it?
It's white.
Nope.
The whole thing is white.
No, I'm talking about like the toothpaste. What color is the toothpaste? What color is the toothpaste?
I don't know.
Just say
I
it.
don't use yours.
You never looked over and watched my toothpaste?
I don't use yours.
Just name a color then. Just guess.
Green.
Okay, you're right. Sensodyne Spearmint. What is my go-to hairstyle and what method of extensions do I use?
You messing with him now.
Tape-ins.
One. What's my go-to hairstyle?
Straight.
With
Black.
what kind of part? You cheated. You can't look.
A middle part.
You can't look at my hair.
Why not? You're right here.
All
So
right,
I got all those right.
Your straight middle part is tape-in.
I'm telling you, bro. Like, not that it's a competition, babe, but I feel like I know you a little
more than I know
just a
you.
little more.
No.
We'll leave that up to.
Or let's just say that he's a little bit more confusing than
No,
me.
we'll leave that up to you guys. Who you think?
Who you
like,
think
out of
know?
the answers and the questions.
After
who you
4
think?
years, who you think know who more?
Comment in the comment section.
And who?
I think y'all know each other more equally well, and I think that you've grown and changed during that time, and I think that y'all still good together. That's my answer.
You think more is confusing?
Don't be biased either, man. Don't be biased because you listen to her music. You know what I'm saying? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
All right, y'all. So we're about to end this video, and hope y'all enjoy. See y'all in the next video. We don't know when, but peace out.
I promise it's good.